With relations and rollups, you can connect the dots across projects, track progress in real time, and surface insights automatically. More momentum, less mess. A relation is a database property that connects two different databases. It links related pieces of information so you can view and access pages from one database within the context of another. While the projects and tasks template includes default relations between two databases, you can easily create additional ones to link more databases if needed. Let's understand how this works. In this example, our product team is using the projects and tasks database to track new product launches. Now, your marketing team is getting ready to announce what's coming. To make things more efficient, they want to bundle launches together. That's where the relation property comes in. You can link your projects and tasks database to a separate marketing planning database to keep everything connected. To set it up, click the plus button in your database, then choose relation as the property type. You'll be prompted to select another database. Just search for or scroll to find your go-to-market tracker. Then click Add Relation. If you have edit access to the related database, you can even enable a two-way relation. That means any updates that you make in one database will automatically reflect in the other. Just like that, every launch is linked to a go-to-market plan, all in one cohesive system. Once you've linked two databases using a relation, you can use a rollup to pull in key details from those connections. Think of it like this. The relation is the bridge, and the rollup is what you carry across that bridge. Rollups let you surface useful real-time insights like how many tasks are done, how much dev time is estimated, or what % of the work is complete without jumping between views. What if you want to see how much progress has been made on a specific project? Go to the projects database, click on the plus sign, and select rollup. A new rollup property appears. This is the part where you specify the database you would like to pull your data from, as well as the specific property you want to show. Here, we'll select the tasks database. Then select the property from the task database that you're interested in. In our example, let's select status. For all tasks marked complete, this gives you an automatic read on how much progress the project has made. That's a peek into how relations and rollups can bring your workspace to life. As your team scales, your systems grow, these connections help everything stay clear, connected, and actionable. The more you connect your work, the more powerful and seamless your work becomes.